Well, Uber just made a massive app update for drivers. They are changing so many things. You don't want to miss this video so you know how to take advantage of this and actually increase your income, because isn't that why we're all here, to make money? So please thumbs up the video so more people can hear about this. It's actually going to benefit us all to really come together as a community. And firstly, I do want to thank our sponsor. Our sponsor is Solo, the business app for drivers, and they're offering drivers guaranteed pay right now, which is really incredible. They're one of the few apps that's actually really helping drivers. Look at this, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. for Lyft, 37 bucks in that hour, which is incredible. 10 a.m., 37 bucks. DoorDash with Uber, DoorDash, 38 bucks. Instacart, 37 bucks. I mean, it's just crazy that they're actually doing this. When you sign up for our link, you're gonna get $15, and they do have a free version. You'll still get the 15 bucks. And the daily guaranteed pay is free until 8/31/22. So check it out. Well, listen to this. So Uber's earnings just came out on Tuesday, August 2nd, and there was a whole lot of updates that you do not want to miss if you did not check into that earnings call. CEO Dara Khosrowshahi is actually saying that there's evidence where it's helping, basically inflation is saying that it's helping Uber have a huge influx of new drivers, that drivers that can earn up to 37 bucks an hour. But listen to this. So this is the massive updates. Uber announced new features last week aimed at improving drivers' experience. Drivers will now be able to see how much they'll earn and where they'll be going before they accept trips. And they can view more than one trip request at a time. This is the full updates. Uber announced a series of new features Friday aimed at enhancing drivers' experience on the ride-sharing app. Drivers across the US, United States only, okay? None of you Canada people out there, okay? None of you other, no, I'm just kidding. In the United States, drivers will be able to see exactly how much they will earn and where they will be going before they accept a trip. This is breaking news. Why? Because for so long, you would just see a random kind of direction or a ballpark area or, you know, nothing at all. And it's just like 45 minutes plus. And you're like, I guess I'll take it. But sometimes you don't want to go out and drive in the middle of nowhere. There is a new feature and it's called Trip Radar. Uber said those changes will also help lower rate times for riders. How is that gonna work? Who the heck knows? But I'll have this linked below. Check it out on CNBC. Massive new updates. Let me know your thoughts. And again, sign up for Solo with our link to earn 15 bucks. You know, they're gonna send you $15 when you link your gig account. So make sure you link your gig account, take home $5,000 more a year for the average app-based driver. Sign up for pay guarantee and plus a whole lot of other features as well. So check it out down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.